So today I'm comparing my only two actually bagless cyclonic vacuums. This is a I believe it was made in 2014 Hoover Windtunnel Max bagless upright with all the bells and whistles. This is a Fantom Lightning from probably the late 90s, so 2014 90s. This one has 12 times cyclonic action because this one has all these cyclones up the top. All those holes are cyclones. Spin the dirt out of the air. The Fantom only has one of those up at the top. So, let's see, can a 90s canister with dual cyclonic technology out-clean a brand new Hoover on popcorn? So, let's try it out. We'll power up the Fantom and let the cyclone rev up. Brush bar is turning. Alright, let's examine what we've done here. We've left, I'm just gonna throw all this kind of into a space. That is what Fantom has missed. Let's rev up the Hoover, let its cyclones go, and we'll try it. And there we go with the belt problem again. But this Hoover has left this, and this stuff. So, not exactly 110% scientific or anything, but that one left a couple pieces, this one left a couple more. So yeah, we'll just throw this stuff back. In fact, what we can try is throwing all this crap. Just kinda gotta spin this thing because of the static electricity in it. Kind of flick all this stuff out of it. And then we'll dump the lightning, try to make like a little path kind of like where popcorn is, and instead of just that little tiny thing, you can see that's how much popcorn this is in this bin. This one emptied a little neater, but not to worry, I can scrape this crap up sorta into a line. Now, as you see with the Fantom, I actually used the Fantom to clean out the Hoover, cleaned out its cyclones and stuff, its base plate. A couple days ago, because I'm having problems with it. Not having problems with the Fantom though. And I even got the Fantom for free. So, we'll just, there we go. We'll rev both these vacuums up so all their cyclones are going at what the speed they need to go, and pretty much all I mean by that is the air gets spun in the cyclone, so if you let them rev up and get all the air passing through them, then they work at their prime. So we'll turn both these vacuums on. I'll use the Lightning, then I'll switch over straight to the Hoover. Both of them are at their same height setting. That's the problem with the Hoover, the brush part is going. So this is, for the most part, clean. It's starting to get a little oily, so crap's starting to stick to it. Might need to clean that up, but all in all, just missed 2 tiny pieces, and you'll see that I stretched it all the way out so anything that snow plowed could roll under to make this test as fair as possible. This missed like 4 or 5 pieces, so this only missed 2, that missed like 5. In the big scheme of things, does that probably really matter for the average consumer? Probably not, but... So, thanks for watching my videos, guys. I'll try to upload all of these because I have a lot sitting on my phone. Mostly of that thing. Problems with it, but... So, yeah. Like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.